Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix App Store cannot update apps. The first and foremost thing that you can try and do is pull down on your quick settings toolbar and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile network and try updating the app from each of these networks. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device, which resets your network. The other thing, if it is a network related issue, is that you can head over to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, hit reset, and then hit reset network settings. This will reset all your network settings and you'll have to re-log in to your Wi-Fi network. If that too does not solve the problem, you can long press on the power button to completely reboot your iPhone, and then before that what you can also do is you can head back over to settings, tap on your account, hit sign out, and after you reboot your device, try signing back in and downloading the apps again. If that too does not work, you must check Apple servers to see if they have a problem there. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.